I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna start packing the packages that I need to send to the Philippines. I'm gonna finish it packing today. Look how bad this is. See, that's from this tree right here. This is definitely fall. So I'm gonna video you right. I'm gonna do the what do you call that? Highlights. So this is autumn here in the United States. And if you look at it, look at all these leaves. I have to sweep, I have to rake all of them. There's so much, so much, so much leaves. And I'm gonna put it in my garden. And this is the pear tree. The leaves are gone. One more strong wind, all of them is gonna be gone. So welcome to autumn weather season in here in the United States. And my plants, lucky there's still some flower, but I started cleaning yesterday. So those pear trees, the leaves are gone right there. Excuse me. And so I have to rake the whole yard. Gotta get it done. Still dahlias right there. Some dahlias. So we have no more leaves. Yes, the leaves are gone, see? And it's all right here on the ground, which I'm gonna sweep. I mean, I'm going to rake all of them. My hanging baskets, they will freeze, you know, like December or January. That's when the freezing start here. So I have to make sure that the yard is clean before it freezes because they're hard to rake when it's frozen. So welcome to the autumn season here in the US. And look at my banana. my banana never have a chance. This one is gonna go dormant and it will come out next spring. So this is my garden. This is what it looks like now. I have trimmed my roses yesterday. See, I trimmed all of them. These are just tomatoes. We still have lots of tomatoes, but they never get a chance to get ripe. Still dahlias. Yeah, we still have dahlias, but this is the last bloom. See, it's pretty, isn't it? There you go. And there's one more right here. There's more over there, the last bloom. And lots of work to do. Christine, thank you. This one here is still blooming. This is the last bloom. So right there. Okay, just everybody in there, if you guys have a chance, premiering. Christine premiere. That's my hydrangea. Yeah, I have a little bit more dahlias left, see. And these are my fuchsia. More dahlias. What's left?